Good morning everyone, it is Natalie here and today I am filming a travel with me video. I really wanted to vlog kind of my whole travel experience, what I do, how to get ready for travel, how I go to the airport, not how I go to the airport, duh, I drive. But like being at the airport, just like a whole vlog like that. I also self-tanned my face, so I literally look ridiculous right now, but it's because I wanted to like match my body, but now I realize I look actually like scary. I'm like, should I take this off? I never self-tan my face, and then I've been getting comments like, why don't you self-tan your face? And then my little sister self-tans her face, and I know my roommate has self-tanned her face, so I was like, okay, I'll try. I feel like in person it looks totally different, but on camera it's like picking up like everything horrible. Anyways, whatever. This is gonna be my airport outfit. Also, didn't mention, I'm going to Peru. What? I'm so excited, and I'm going with my friend Tasha. This video is also sponsored by Lola, so thank you so much to Lola for sponsoring today's video. But right now I'm gonna get ready for the airport. It's only like 7 a.m. or something. I woke up really early. My flight is at 10:45, but I have to go home because I'm borrowing my sister's car, so I have to drop it off, and then I'm gonna have them like take me to the airport. So I'm backtracking a little bit, but I wanted to go home. So yeah, I'm gonna start kind of getting all my stuff together. If I forgot AirPods at the airport, I genuinely think I would have to like go and buy them at the airport. Like I don't think I could like go without them. That sounds so ridiculous, but I need these, so these will be going in here. Also, another pro tip, or I guess, I don't know if this is a tip, I guess it's kind of a preference, but I have to make my bed before I leave for vacation because I hate coming back to my room with a messy room and like a messy bed. So I always spend time before I leave on vacation cleaning up my room and making my bed and making sure I come home with like the least amount of things to do. Bed. I always pack PJs last just because half the time I'm like wearing them at night, so I think I'm gonna wear a long sleeve because in a lot of places we go it's gonna be a little chilly, so I think I'm gonna do this long sleeve and long pant PJ, and then pack this in my suitcase. I think I pretty much have everything. I actually think I'm not forgetting a single thing. I'm so proud. I filmed a pack with me video, so if you guys want to see that, that will be up on my channel. I'm pretty sure it's already up by the time you guys watch this, but yeah, okay. I think I'm good. I truly think I'm one of those people that forgets something every single time, so I really think I'm good. The only worry now is that it's over 50 pounds. I also have the Lola tampons, which are seriously my favorite tampons. This is my second box that I have with them, and I'll explain more about them, but I'm deciding if I should just take a few out and put the box in my carry-on or in my checked bag. I don't know when I'm getting my period. Like, it could just spring up on me, so I think I'll just take a few out. I think this is so cute. This too shall pass, and until it does, we're here for you. Talk about branding. It is always good to travel with tampons just in case you get your period. The worst thing is being on a plane and you get your period and you don't have a tampon, and I don't know, if I had a woman sitting next to me, I would ask her for one, and it just is awkward to be asking people for tampons on the plane, so they are going right in here. This is self-tanner. I was self-tanning. A dollop fell and it stained my carpet, in case anyone was wondering. Hello from the future. I've come back from my Peru trip and I am sitting here to talk to you guys about Lola. They saved me during my Peru trip. I used their tampons. I brought like half a box of tampons over to Peru because I unfortunately got my period the second week of the trip, which, if you guys know, having a period in general is not fun, but also having a period on vacation is even worse. I am really trying to start purchasing brands that I believe in and that I really love, like the company mission. And Lola is a female founded company and it really does think about women first. And if you guys didn't know, The FDA does not require tampon companies to say what is inside their tampons, which to me is so concerning because it is something we are literally putting inside our bodies. That is going straight up in there, and we don't need to know the ingredients in it. I don't know, to me that just sounds a little bit crazy, but Lola is only made of 100% cotton, and they are very open about that. And you might think, oh, aren't all of them 100% cotton? But no, they are not. Lola does not include any chemicals or anything like that. It is very safe, and it is female founded, which I love because you can really see that they are thinking about women first, and they are thinking that, hey, women every day all over the world are putting this inside their body. Why don't we make something that is actually safe? They also don't only do tampons, they have tampons, pads, and also wipes. So if you guys are looking for any feminine products, definitely check out Lola as your first go-to source. And what I love about it, this is my second box, like I said, it is a subscription service. And their subscription is totally customizable, so you can customize how often you want it. You don't have to get it every month. You can customize the size of your tampons, if you want pads, if you want wipes, whatever it is. For every purchase, they donate a box of feminine products to homeless shelters in the US, which I think is so incredible, to women's homeless shelters, because I feel like I view tampons and feminine products as a luxury, or not as a luxury, I view it as just like a necessity. Like, yeah, I'm on my period, I'm gonna go get a box of tampons. I can't imagine how some women can't afford them and don't have access to them. So the fact that they're giving them away to women's homeless shelters, I think is so incredible. If you guys want 40% off all of your subscriptions, then go click on the link down below. And also my promo code is Natalie Barbu. So very simple, mylola.com. So thank you so much to Lola for sponsoring today's video, and be sure to get 40% off your subscription by using my code and clicking my link down below. Let's get back to the video. Bag is packed. I can take this off. This is from my last flight. And let's see how it feels. Okay, I don't think this is 50 pounds. I hope not. Okay, so I am wearing this to the Charlotte airport. It's just this big baggy Champion sweatshirt. I have my sports bra. It's kind of like a tank top though underneath, and then these shorts. And then once I get to Peru, or before I land, I'm changing into sweatpants. So I do have long pants just because I don't know the country how it is, so I don't want to be wearing like super short shorts and like a sweatshirt and just be by myself as a young girl. So I'm putting on pants just for safety, and also it might be a little chilly there. Here though, I think this is fine and I'm very comfortable, and it is hot in North Carolina. So even this sweatshirt, I feel like I'm gonna be a little hot, but I think it's really cute. I love this color. Huge fan of the yellow trend. Anyways, I'm about to head home and then go to the airport. Hopefully it's not too late. So let me see what time it is. 7:30, so I'm pretty much on track. So I'm gonna head out right now. I'm also taking this backpack. I put my laptop and everything, hard drive, chargers, all of that stuff. It's all in here. So I think I'm ready to go. I'm one of those people that always goes to the bookstore at the airport. I didn't bring any books, but I need a book for the plane. I also got a cold brew. I tried the nitro cold brew for the first time and I really like it. I have it with the salted cream cold foam and it tastes really, really good. And I put almond milk in it just to make it like a little less bitter, I guess. It's really, really good, and I love that it's nitro because it doesn't have ice, so it doesn't get watered down. So good. I also thought my flight was at 11:40, or I thought my flight was at 10:45, and it's actually at 11:45, so I am 2 hours early to the airport. but I kind of like it because I'm hungry. I can get a coffee, I can get food, I can pick out a book and not be rushed at all, which just relieves a lot of stress, especially for international flights. So yeah, my first flight is to Houston, and then I'm off to Lima, and I'm so excited. I got myself a breakfast sandwich from Panera. They have the best breakfast, and I'm at the new terminal in Charlotte, which is so nice. They have a Panera right behind me over there, but yeah, I just got a breakfast sandwich and waiting at my gate extremely early. Houston right now, or not for Houston, I'm already in Houston. I'm about to board for Lima. I had a quick layover, had some lunch at the airport. I got a water, and it's like one of those that has electrolytes, so it's super hydrating because I'm like really scared of altitude sickness because I've heard a lot of people get it, so I want to stay as hydrated as possible. So I'm drinking that on the plane, but I'm ready for the 7-hour plane ride to Lima. And I also downloaded Duolingo so I can like practice my Spanish on the plane. In Peru. I basically spent an hour in customs. Tasha is currently going through customs. I got my bag, and then we are gonna go to a taxi together, and I think it's like 45 minutes away from our hotel, but I am so excited to finally be here. Okay, so Tasha and I just got to the hotel. We had a taxi take us. It's a nice hotel, it has 2 beds, we get free breakfast in the morning. I'm pretty sure it's like in a central area, but I really couldn't tell because it's really dark outside, and it is currently 1:40 in the morning, so it's really, really late. But what I do when I get back is just get back right away, wash my face. I still have this like giant pimple on my forehead, which is amazing, and I keep picking at it. But I just do that, get ready for bed, and I'm exhausted. So I'm excited to be back here. I'll show you guys the hotel. Tasha's getting ready in the bathroom, but we are just so excited for tomorrow. I think we're getting breakfast with the group. We're kind of trying to figure that out. We don't really know what we're doing tomorrow, but it's just kind of a day of exploring in Lima, and I'm really, really, really excited because I've heard great things about Lima. I'm so excited to try Peruvian food. I don't know if I'm gonna eat a guinea pig. I feel like that is just, I don't know, weird. People told me that I have to eat it, but I don't know. A little out of my comfort zone. My lips also got super chapped on the plane because I think I was just in a plane for too long and they got really, really chapped. So I like put a ton of chapstick on, and my face definitely needs like a nice little detox. I wish I brought a mask. I should have brought a facial mask. That would have been nice, but I'll show you guys the room before I go to bed. So I am just on one bed, little twin size bed. That's Tasha's, and it just has everything we need. The bathroom's pretty nice. It's the door. Already made myself at home with my suitcase. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, be sure to check out Lola. I'm gonna have them down below so that you guys can check them out and use my link down below. But thank you again for sponsoring today's video, Lola, and also be sure to watch my Peru vlogs. I'm so excited for you guys to see them. I cannot wait for the next 2 weeks. I feel like it's gonna be such an adventure, and I'll see you guys on the vlog, in Lima. All right.